Gift card. As a little something. Totoo po! Tapos walang laman. Gift card lang. Gift card lang. It's a card.
Oh, you have to check. You have to check doon.
Thank you. Yeah.
Ulo, may gift card ako galing kay Kim.
Congratulations!
Thank you.
Ay, Nike mo na tayo! Nike mo na tayo! Ito kay Andrea.
Thank you, Nike!
At may endorsement.
Sige po, kami na magbigay.
Thank you po!
Have fun!
Thank you po! Enjoy shopping! See you! See you lang sa
Sir po,
Wala po kayo mamaya.
as a fairy godmother.